Hi guys, and welcome back to Hilltop Farm. Today we're going to be making plum jam. Now, we did have a bit of a technical glitch with the camera, so in case we've missed it, what we've got in here, 2.5 kilos of plums that have been cut up, had the stones removed. We've added our half a pint of homemade organic pectin. Then I've added 500 grams of the sugar, but in total for 250 grams of fruit you need 200. Sorry, I'll start again. That wasn't 250 grams, that was 1.5 kilos of plums. And it needs 1.5 kilos of sugar. And as I say, half of that's already in there. So I'll add the other half in stages. Now, as usual, the pan doesn't look big enough, but it is. When your jam starts to froth, if you put a knob of butter in, the froth goes away, and then you don't have to worry about it foaming over. Now, add the rest of the sugar. Okay. Continue to mix it through. That's the way. Make sure your sugar doesn't stick in dirty great clumps to the bottom, which it tends to do when you first put it in. If you see like that, that will sit on the bottom. Keep it moving, and very quickly, within a couple of minutes, it will dissolve and no longer be an issue. The whole time, obviously, heating up. The object of the exercise is we want to bring this up to a gentle simmer, keeping it moving the whole time so it doesn't stick on the bottom. The second it sticks, you're going to have a burnt flavour go through the jam. But as long as it doesn't stick, all will be well. So we'll bring you back when this is at a rolling boil. Okay, now our jam is done. Now, we had a few glitches with the camera at the beginning of filming this one, and then I made a mistake because I think I got flustered. So I will quickly run through it again. Anything else you've heard is wrong. Okay, and I'll actually put the ingredients in the description below, just in case I get it wrong again. In here is 2.5 kilograms of fruit, chopped up with all the stones removed. There is also 2.5 kilograms of sugar and 1 half pint of the homemade pectin. Okay, I got those wrong at the beginning of the video, so that's what it actually is. So, if you like this albeit clumsy video, hit the like button, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos, and come back for the next video where I will show you how to can this up. Okay, thank you for joining me today, and in the meantime, it's goodbye from Hilltop Farm. See ya!